Hi, I'm Summer from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use their essential oils. It's time to turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started. Here's what you need to make this blend. First off, I'm going to grab the essential oil blend that I just made using all of the oils in my Simply Earth recipe box. So I open up my recipe box, I see all of the cute labels and stickers and cards, and I'm going to find the right recipe that I need. We have an essential oil bottle reed diffuser. All right, looks like we're going to need our bamboo cap from the box. We're also going to need our set of cutely bundled diffuser reeds, and we're going to need our 5 milliliter blend of holiday spice. So let's get started. This recipe is one of my favorites. Want to know why? It's one of the easiest ones this month. So all you need to do is you need to take off your cap, and then you can use the cap by taking it off and pressing down and then pulling off to the side, and you can remove that little clear dropper. And then you replace the cap with our cute wooden bamboo cap that leaves it open, and we can take off that cute little thing right there, and we're going to stick our reeds in. All you have to do is stick the reeds in the bottle and it'll naturally diffuse for you. So you want to go ahead and allow those diffuser reeds to absorb the oil. After a few hours, you can go ahead, give those a flip. That will keep the air and the aroma circulating through the room. And then after 2 to 3 weeks, when diffusing slows down, you're going to want to replace those reeds. I've got a quick tip for you. To help your diffuser reeds last longer, add a little bit of pure alcohol into the bottle and it'll help the aroma travel up the reeds more easily. You can make this right from your home because the Simply Earth recipe box makes it so easy. Don't forget to post your finished photo on social media with hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth. You're going to love using essential oils with confidence and clarity. See you next time.